That was really rude. Sorry. We're gonna put that on quiet. Alrighty. What's up, guys? It's Alana Nagels, like bagels but with an N. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. Last time you saw me, I was here with Tebe. I could hardly breathe. I sounded so bad. I had such bad allergies. But I'm back and I sound normal today. I can breathe out of my nose. It's amazing. Yay! Anyways, I have the Life's a Drag Lunar Beauty palette, which is absolutely stunning. Like, I'm just looking at this right now. Holy hell. I can't even. Stunning. My little mitts can hardly even hold this thing. It's huge. Literally the size of my damn torso. I did this look the other day. I'm recreating it for you guys because it was highly requested by so many people off my Instagram. And when did I can? Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I got this look today. But anyways, I did this side off camera, obviously. Oh my god, my dog wants in. Simba. Oh my god! Ah! I'm sorry, Simba. I'm gonna get that later. I just threw my lash glue at my dog. Oh, I'm sorry. He's so sad. Okay. So, like I said, this thing is damn huge. It's huge. So, it does come with a mirror. There it is. My little mitts can hardly hold this thing, and if I did, it would literally be in front of my entire face and you guys wouldn't see shit. So I'm gonna use my little mirror with this stuff, which smells so good. Yeah, so the first color we're gonna go into, my eyes are already prepped and primed. I already did that earlier. We're gonna go in with Cake Face, which is the white color, and we're gonna go over over the whole eyelid, just so you have something to blend with. So after we go in with Cake Face, which is the white color, we're gonna put it all over the entire eyelid. We are gonna go in with Campy, which is the yellow color, and there's dog hair on my brush. Okay. Literally, like having 3 dogs. Yeah, so we're gonna go in with Campy. We're gonna go in just above the crease with Campy. Alrighty, so next we're gonna take another fluffy brush, a different one. It's a little smaller, and we're gonna go with Kai Kai, which is that. Ooh, we're gonna go with Kai Kai, which is that pink color there, and we're just gonna start going in the outer corner and dragging it down towards the tear duct. Get like candy gumdrop vibes. I'm kind of living for it. So now it's gonna look like this. So you got the yellow crease, you got the pink on the outer corner of the eye, following the path of the crease as well. And now we're gonna jump into Pageant Queen, which is that purple, which is stunning. And with Pageant Queen, we are going to pack it into the outer corner, so it gets nice and dark. And then with the excess, we're gonna drag into the crease as well, but just so it's a little more faded and not as harsh. And then I'm actually gonna dip into Kai Kai and Pageant Queen just to make that crease a little more smooth. So right now I'm just taking that brush that I used for Campy, which was the yellow color, and I'm just gonna blend a little bit in that crease to make it more seamless. Nobody wants harsh lines, okay? No ma'am. Alrighty. I'm out here just cracking myself up. So I'm actually just going to take this Morphe R39 brush. It's a little more dense packing brush. And I'm just going to pack the outer corner a little more with the Kai Kai Pageant Clean. And I'm actually going to dot Snatched just a little bit. And Snatched is this awesome dark red color. And we're going to pack into the outer corner, like the outer V, just to give it some depth. And we're going to take that fluffy brush and just blend her out like so. So next you're going to take some concealer. Any concealer, I just throw some of the, I don't even know what it's called, Rainforest of the Sea Tarte concealer. Just dot some on my hand. Yeah, I look crazy because I was playing with colors earlier. My bad. I'm just going to take a flat brush with some concealer, and we are going to carve out the inner part of the eye. I also like to take like a little like fluffy eyeshadow brush and just blend it out with the concealer. That way it's not as like chunky. That way when you're putting eyeshadow on there, it's not like super clumpy and creasy. And I think I like that. Perfect. I literally put so much concealer on my hand for the tiniest spot. Like, I'm actually crazy. Whatever. So after you put the concealer on and you carve out that spot, it should look like this. Hopefully you guys can see that. And I'm actually just going to take my finger, because I find with your finger, foiled shadows work best applied by finger. I don't know. Something I like to do. So we're actually going to go in with Beat and Legendary. So these two, Beat and Legendary. And I'm just going to mix them. And I'm going to, y'all, I really hope. Damn it. Come on. I don't want to get up. It's fine. I'll get up in a minute. Okay. On your finger, and you're just going to pack it on there. And I'm going to go in with Beat a little more, just because it's more of a silvery, because Legendary was taking the cake on there. And then you're going to take your fluffy brush and you're going to blend the edges around it so it doesn't look like you just threw it on there. That way it looks blended. Anyways, we're going to blend that out. And it should look a little something like this. Should be looking like that. So next, I'm just going to take the E27 Morphe brush, super fluffy, going in with Cake Face, and I'm just going on the brow bone and in between Campy, that yellow color, just to make things a little more smooth. Perfect. And then I'm going to go in with an M326, which is super, super tiny. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's super tiny. And I'm going to use that with Beat. And I'm going to put that on the inner tear duct. And I'm going to throw it on the brow bone. Overall, I don't know how many of you guys bought this palette but I'm actually living for it. It is so good, so versatile. You can literally do so many looks with it. You can do so many like basic looks or crazy looks, colorful, smoky eyes. It's stunning, and they are so pigmented. And they blend out amazingly, and they're so buildable, which is another thing I like. And last but not least, we're gonna do the under eye, and we are gonna take Campy and Pageant Queen, and we are gonna split that up between the bottom lash line. So first I'm gonna take Campy, which is the yellow color, and we're gonna take that on the inner corner to about the center of the eye. And then we're gonna go with Pageant Queen, which is the purple color. And we're gonna take that from the center to the outside of the lower lash line. I'm actually gonna go in with, oh my gosh, there's a dog hair up my nose. Oh no, for any of you guys that have dogs, does that ever happen to you? Oh my gosh. I have 3 dogs, and I always get their dog hair, like the dog hairs up my damn nose, and it's like a constant battle. Anyways, I'm gonna go with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner, and I'm gonna pop that in the waterline. Boom! Life update. I recently quit my job after 6 years. Do I have a new job yet? No. Am I concerned? No, not really. But whatever. But like, if y'all want to know the story as to why, you want me to spill the tea as to why I quit my job after 6 years without 2 weeks notice, y'all hit that like button and I will tell you. So now I'm gonna hop on the liner. Really? You really needed to do that? Yo, after this, I'm gonna go upstairs and eat. I'm so hungry. Okay, I really need to figure out my life right now. I literally am dropping everything. My eyelids are so sore today and like swollen. I worked out earlier and I was sweating so profusely that like the sweat kept getting stuck on my eyelids, and it was just like stinging and burning. And my personal trainer was just like, okay, like let's go on to the next thing. And I'm like, oh my god, my eyes burn. Like I don't know what to do with myself right now. It was not fun, and they still friggin' burn, which I'm really not okay with. The lashes that I'm wearing today are actually by IIKONN. These ones I believe are called Flirt. And I'm just gonna go with my Duo Lash Glue. But not the stinky kind. Yo, some of this Duo Lash Glue, like I don't even understand, but it smells so bad. Like how can you sell something that smells that bad? Like it concerns me. Like, is that safe to put on your eye? I don't know. Like the first time I bought lash glue, like I didn't know any better, and I was like, what the hell is this? Yeah, but I moved on to bigger and better things, and we're good. But still, that smell, that's a smell that you don't ever forget. Shit's nasty. For the shower, and I'm really doing a full face of makeup like a crazy person, and I got nowhere to go. Shit, someone hang out with me. Last but not least, we're gonna go with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and we gonna set the face. Y'all, I'll live for that stuff. Alrighty, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Really enjoyed filming this look. Also doing this look for a second time. I'm really digging it. You know, I'm not normally a color person, but I'm really starting to enjoy playing with different colors and straying from my standard orangey brownie looks. If there's anything you guys would like to see, opinions, reviews, certain types of looks, how to do something, feel free to shoot me a comment down below. If there is anything that you guys would like to see, like see done differently, see me review, different look, anything you guys want to see, just give me a shout down below. Thanks so much for watching wherever you guys are. Dinner time, dessert, lunch, you know. I'm about to go get a snack because it's snack time for me. Anyways, have a good one, guys.